You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a wrecking.
Hey, it's Tim. 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. Got the Hemi in it, 5.7. I apologize, I took it off before I started showing, but when I get done with this video, you will know how to do it. I'll explain what I've done right here, and then I'll show you me putting it back together. Of course, all you do is reverse that. You will have to undo your wheel sensor, which is a Torx. It's a T30. Of course, you have to take your rotor off, and all I do is take off the whole caliper bracket and everything, and it's a 13/16, and it's that'll be these two bolts right here, and then it's the same size for these three bolts for the wheel bearing. I cleaned it up right here inside. It was pretty bad right here, and of course the wheel bearing will come right out after you do that. I'll leave the light there so we have a little bit of light, but I'll show you me putting it on. This is the old one here. It's real hard to turn, and it's crunchy, making racket going up and down the road. So if you hear a lot of roaring or crunchy, that's that worn out bearing in there. There's nothing you can do about it but replace it, and that's what we're going to do. And then I'll set my camera up and you can see me putting it back together. Like I said, I apologize, I just now got my camera out. Should have showed you me taking it off, but I'm trying to do the best tutorial I can right now with this. So let's go get the new one. I'm not sure where you got the new one at. I didn't ask him. Looks like you get it up to local auto parts. It is a 515151 coast to coast brand, and it'll come with your new wheel sensor. So you will have to come back here and probably up here, probably up in here, you'll have to unplug it. So I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, it is easier to go on the top here like this. You'll undo the little red clip on the wheel sensor right here. It's easier to do it inside here, and then just push that button down. You get that clip off right there, and that's your wheel sensor switch. And you'll come around here like this and just pull it down like that, and pull it off your things right here. There you go. You get it like that, and then you got little clips right here. You just pull these out right here, a little screwdriver, pop them. All right, let's put the new one in. You're gonna line it up, of course. And we already know the wheel sensor is going to go up here on top, so we already know it's going to go like this with the wheel sensor on the top. That's how we took it off. I already left the bolts in there like that, so all I can do, so I can just simply do this and start them. It makes it so much easier, so you ain't got to fight where you at. They just go right in. Okay, we got them in like that. You will have your line. It's going to run like this. It's going to run behind here. We're going to cut this off real fast. All right, we'll cut it like this. We'll go like this all the way around. Up under here like this. And we'll just lay it to the side like that so we know where it goes. And we're going to tighten these up. Make sure you got your wheel sensor. I forgot to tell you, in this slot right here you got in this backing plate, dustpan, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you got it there. That's how it goes back through that little slot. That way it don't interfere with the rotor or anything. Because if you don't, it'll hit the rotor. So pull it through that little slot there. Then you can go up here like this and you can plug it back in. You got some hooks right there, it goes in. No big deal. Alright, now you're ready to reassemble everything. You shouldn't have to move, since you didn't do anything with the brakes or the rotor. You shouldn't have to collapse the rotor. It should go right back on. I mean, collapse the caliper, I'm sorry. It should go right back on. Might be a little hard at first. It should go on though. There it goes. Alright. Alright, you grab from up top, then you just come down here, plug it up. Then you can put your, you'll have two little things on the back here. And you put them right back in there. Okay, it'll look like that. And then we're gonna go down to the bottom. We'll put it we'll put it through all the loop-de-loops here. Snap them like that. And of course you got that. Turn that around like that. That goes into here. And then this one goes into here. Okay, then you're done. No one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.
I don't wanna see you